Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable or disable automatic sign-in on websites in Microsoft Edge. So open Edge browser. Now here click on these three dots and settings. Now here underneath profiles click on passwords. This is the first option, offer to save passwords. Allow Microsoft Edge to save your passwords and help keep them secure. So turn on. If you need to enable automatic sign-in, turn on this setting. Also, turn on this option automatically save passwords. And if you need to disable, turn off this setting. So this is the useful setting for Edge users to enable or disable automatic sign-in on websites in Microsoft Edge. Just you have to enable or disable these both settings. Thanks for watching.